So this is actually the fourth corner shelf that I've gotten from this company, Furrino. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure, but it's literally, they're great. They're great for the corners. They're great for plants. We have 4 stories here, and so I've got one in my bathroom for different stuff that fits kind of nicely in the corner that kind of is out of the way. I needed another one for up the stairs because we have a rooftop that we can go out of, but that whole area gets gunked up with like shoes and stuff, and so it's a mess up there. So I'm looking forward to cleaning that area up. But so I got this 4th one for it, but it's really literally so easy to put together. This is, and I'm 5 feet tall, so it kind of gives you, it's a little taller than I am, so it's, but it's so easy to put together. These are made of plastic, and this is kind of a wood or a plywood, and you literally just screw these in. It's so simple to put together. It takes about 10 minutes. You can do it by yourself. You don't need any tools to put this together. And it looks amazing, and it's a great shelf. So, and for the price, it's really good too. So I love these shelves. I'll probably end up with more of them. They're awesome.